everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet El Camino truck, car, SUV, whatever you want to refer to it as. Great truck, guys. It's original Van Nuys, California built truck. We do have the build sheet and original owner's manuals with the truck. Very nicely done. I actually own this truck. I sold it about 8 months ago to a very good customer of ours. We actually just did some trading yesterday on a Chevelle. And that's how I ended up with it back. But great truck. It's got the matching numbers, L48, 350 cubic inch engine in it. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's a factory tack and gauge truck. And really nicely done. It's finished in a real pretty color. It's a dark red metallic. Of course, it's got the black SS striping, the vinyl top, and a tonneau cover on it. Correct SS rally wheels on it. Cowl hood. Truck's only supposed to have 46,000 original miles on it. I always tell people take miles with a grain of salt, but I've been doing this a long time. You see, it's got a couple little touch-up marks. You know, so there's a couple of things you can kind of pick at on the truck, but it's very nice. Good straight body. Looks like it's got the original bumpers on it. You can see a little wear there. And I'll tell you what, the truck runs good. It's strong. Ralph has left here and turned the tires for us. Whenever he buys something, he always turns the tires on it out front for us. But killer little truck. I like the 4-speed. That was the thing that drew me to it. You just don't see a lot of these with a manual shift in it. And of course the tack and gauges, the numbers matching, I thought was cool. And then it's just a good vehicle, man. It's just a good, solid, straight old truck. Underneath the tonneau cover here, we'll show you that. It's really nice. It's all painted in the bed. Yeah, I just like it. I can't tell you look, it's got all the original trim still on it. I can't tell you I've, had many of these. I haven't had very many 4-speeds at all, but I just thought it was cool. It's got the rally wheels on it, Cooper Cobras all the way around it, Flowmaster dual exhaust, factory 12-bolt rear end. It's just got a good look to it. I like this color. It's a real deep red metallic. The sun's kind of peeking out here, so you kind of get a feel for it. We've been dodging raindrops all day. Factory disc brakes. Again, matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock torquer intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Good truck, man. It's got the original door handles on it. I think this is all the original interior too. I mean, it's in great shape. Like I say, it's supposed to have 46,000 original miles on it. Factory bench seat car. It's got the that we put the doggone it, the build sheet out. Factory SS steering wheel. Again, that was a big draw for me. I like that 4-speed. I thought that was cool, and I like this tach and gauges. 46,274 on the odometer. Factory gauges, AM radio. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt gear. Nothing big. It's a stock rear end. When I say that, it's definitely something to get on the expressway and cruise. This, again, as you walk around here, look how nice this truck is in here. And then it's all painted nice in the bed. Matter of fact, if you're going to put chairs and stuff, I'd recommend putting something in there so you don't scratch it all up. A lot of times when you're going to the car shows, stuff like that, people want to put their chairs in it. Come on, Jay, let's show them that trim on the top. This is really nice too. That's original. You can see it opens and closes, excellent. Good, Jay. Yeah, good truck. Nice and clean underneath. The factory jack and the spare still here behind the seat. Again, there's your build sheet, broadcast sheet. You can tell I'm a Mopar guy, huh? That dash is in real nice shape. The gauges are nice and clean. Not real sure what that is. I'll have to ask Jay. What's underneath the dash, Jay?
Radio.
Okay, that's for the radio. I'm not a radio guy. Again, good running truck, really runs out, drives excellent. Tach works, amp gauge works, fuel gauge works, temp gauge does work. Parking brake, Jay?
Yep.
Parking brake does work, guys. Oh, he's got it in reverse. You see the reverse lights work.
I know it works. How it? Oh,
You got power. You got something.
how it works? I don't know.
Blower motor work.
Yeah, blower motor
Well,
works.
the radio works. Are you in reverse? Because the reverse lights are on right now. Well, they might be stuck on. You might want to shift it.
Maybe you're out now.
Okay. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, feel free to pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. I'll have Jay check those reverse lights. I think the little switch is probably just stuck on. Yeah, that's a good looking truck.